Greetings my friends and welcome back to another Android video. We are back with another strategy for you, and I don't want to waste your time, so we're going to jump straight into it. But also, if you are just starting out trading and you don't know where to start, being in my group is probably one of the best ways to get started. We have trading tools, we have Nexus Vision for you. It's a fully automated trading ecosystem which allows you to trade fully automated, assisted, manual trading. You have education in there, so you can combine all the things that you need for trading to get an edge, to get a little bit more confident in trading, and then proceed to trade by yourself. And you can do it all within this system. So make sure to send me a message on Telegram at Android_pro or click the link in the description below. But now let's go into the market, let's make some moves, and let's make a little bit of money. Let's go. All right, so here we have the strategy. We're going to use Vortex with the period of 14 and Momentum with the period of 14. So what do we look for when entering with this strategy? We're going to trade on 1 minute, so set your candlestick to 1 minute time frame. And the only thing that you need to look for, so if you're looking for a buy position with this strategy, you need momentum indicator to shift to above 0 aggressively, and you're looking for Vortex to VI plus to go above VI minus. In this case, as you can see right here, VI minus is red, VI plus is green. So what we're looking for is for the shift in these lines right here. So once VI plus crosses, once momentum turns green and goes above 0, this is our call to enter a buy position. And the opposite is true for the sell position. We're looking for the VI minus to go above VI plus, and we're looking for momentum to go below 0. Once all of those conditions are met, you can place your trade, and just as easy as that, you're gonna get your money. It is a super easy strategy, and it requires you almost close to zero knowledge in trading as long as you follow the rules of the strategy. And here I am spotting my trade. I'm placing 100 first, and then I'm placing a little bit more money. As I can see that we have shifted to below 0, we have VI minus going above VI plus, so this is my signal to place a sell position, and we enter so with $600 on the line. Again, once you see all of the requirements for the strategy play out, place your trade, and make sure to not get caught off guard here a bit later into the trade. If you are already missed the cross, if you are not entering right at the cross and you see the shift a little bit earlier, but you are not entirely catching, make sure to observe that you are not entering on this solid green candle, because you don't want to get caught off guard here by this one. And this can very much happen when you are a little bit late. So make sure to, we lost the $100, but it's fine. We're still kind of on track to getting all $500 here. And there you go. We only lost one trade. And again, this was a bit of a later entry, and we want to really catch the cross right in the moment. And here is a great entry for us. We're gonna place $1,000 on this one. We have VI minus crossing above VI plus. We don't have the momentum shift below 0 yet, but it's coming, trust me. We can see 2 strong consecutive bearish candles and almost no pressure here coming up from bulls on this entry. So with my knowledge, I can enter a little bit earlier and snipe my entry a little bit sooner. But for you, you have to be looking out for this cross into below 0 territory. Once you see that, once that happens, just execute your trade. You're gonna have the same result, just a little bit more safe. But for me, I saw everything play out. So for me, I entered a little bit preemptively, and you're gonna see it swap to below 0 right now as this candle closes. And this normally would be your signal to enter a trade. So there you go. It actually did not go below 0. However, still, you can wait a little bit. This is still going to be a valid entry, but you have to wait for the bars to turn red, and that is going to be the most important thing that you can do for this entry. All right, let's do one more trade. We've already made $1,000 here, and I want to do a bigger trade, and this is going to be it right there. Again, we're seeing the cross VI minus goes above VI plus, and we have have also a pretty sharp turn here. Momentum is going below zero with a strong, this is actually a textbook entry. This is going to yield us a lot of profit right here. And of course, this is not the end of it. I think the price is going to continue riding all the way down, so we could place more money, but I want to only place a little bit here because I already made my profit. I don't want to lose it in case something goes wrong. And this is the importance of trading. You want to always make sure that you secure your profit before you go in and place bigger trades. Take your profit, get out of the market. You have to be smart with how you manage your trades. You have to be smart with how you manage your income, and don't place all of the money that you made on the trades. Just wait it out a little bit, get your money, get it out of the market, and then reinvest a little bit later. And leave a little bit in the market out of the profit that you got, so you have something to trade with. But of course, make sure to secure a profit. And we got another nice win, and let's actually do another one since we got a pretty strong lead here on our trades. And here is a great buy position for us. I'm gonna place 2,000 on this one. We have a cross VI plus goes above VI minus. We have a sharp move above zero after a very long downtrend right here. So this is a nice entry here. Hopefully we get a replication of this stronger move that we have earlier in a downside direction, and it mirrors it and goes up. This is what we're looking for with this swap right here, and this is going to yield us almost $1,800 of profit. So let's play it out. Let's see how it goes. We still have 27 seconds. I'm not expecting any crazy move, but even a little green candle that is going to come is more than enough for you to secure the profit. You're not always going to look for massive lead on your trades. Even a little green candle means that you have made the right direction, that you have taken the right trade, that you have predicted the move properly, and this is all that matters at the end of the day. And we get the first one and we get the second one. Even though it is really close, our timing was actually pretty correct, which allowed us to snipe this trade and go all the way from $1,000 to 5,000. So we are done with the trading session. This is a nice strategy to get into, try it out on demo account, go into the market, try it on real account, see for yourself if it works for you. If it does, go in and make your money. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We're streaming every single day on TikTok. We're trading with strategies, with trading tools, Nexus Vision. We have all of the tools, Evo Trade algorithms. So make sure to slide through on the stream, ask me questions live, see how I'm trading live. We're showing losses, we're showing wins, we're showing everything and what it's like to be a trader. So again, I appreciate you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.